2017 Mercedes C300. My trim piece right here is peeling, and I want to fix that. The only way to fix it is to replace it. Now, this is the button that opens this center console part, and then there's this trim piece. This is peeling. Your passenger will think that you're some blue collar scum. We don't want that. We're going to replace that. I have the part, which is right here. Here's the part number. I'm going to get out the bag. Here it is right here. Very lucky that we can get the trim piece by itself. And actually, there's no tools really needed except a strong hand. So you open this, and we're going to use our strong hand. You're going to just kind of grab it, wiggle it, and pull it up. You're going to kind of work both sides, and then this trim piece will come up. Let me see if I can get it going here. Just kind of, you can just get it up a little bit this side, and then come over here. Alright, just pull this. Alright, so I got that off. The back part could be kind of tight in the back. If you have like a plastic pry bar, you could use that, or something very skinny that won't scratch anything. All I have in my garage is golf clubs, so I just use my hand. But here's our new piece, like this. We're gonna gently just put it back into the way that the other one was, the same orientation. And then we're just gonna basically, you gotta make sure these holes line up with the two prongs that open and shut these two doors. Like that. Try to get them as lined up best you can. Just gently wiggle this down into place. Make sure your sides are lined up, and then we're just gonna gently just kind of push that in. Make sure each side is pushed in, and that is it. That's how you replace that trim piece. We're gonna shut this and make sure that the button still works. Everything's gravy. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Have a good one.